Welcome, boys. Okay, in this video, I'm going to be working on this '07 GMC Yukon Denali, and some of the work's already been done, and it was botched, so I'm here to correct that problem. So, this thing had a cooling leak. As you see, there's a three-way fitting up in here. There used to be one over there as well. And the owner had somebody who didn't know what he was doing mess with this thing and kind of mangled this one to the point that the O-rings don't seat and, well, needs to be replaced. And then they went further into this thing, and as you can see, that used to be round. It is not. So I'm not 100% sure this thing's even going to seal. But I'll get my gloves and then we'll try it. This is a replacement part. It is a Dorman part. What we need to make sure that's going to happen is that this is actually going to work. This is the part number. And so theoretically what's going to happen is I'm going to lube up our O-rings here. And then this piece is going to slide over that mangled piece, theoretically. We'll see. Although I may undo this plastic piece and put it on there first and just try to push that on until it snaps. I'll probably do that, but I might just try to force this thing on the way it is. And then that hard line there also fits in here like this. The O-ring's already in, so this should just click right on there. And then this end actually goes on this hose, which has the O-ring already in it. Or has a O-ring in it. I'm not 100% sure whether or not that should be the one in there. I don't know. We'll see. But that should just snap right on this nipple here. And we should pressure test it, and then it shouldn't have any links, but I'll get gloved up, and then we'll find out real quick. Okay, boys, you should be able to see. I'm just going to do a fixed camera angle on this thing. Alright, boys. So we've moved up our O-rings with our Astro Glide. Theoretically now, I should be able to slither this thing in without ripping or damaging anything. Okay, bent just a little bit. Let's see if it helps. That part is up. Should be on, and then this part is now on. So the question of the day is, do we have leaks? Okay, boys, so as you can see, we have her pumped up and we don't have any leaks. Pressure is at about 10 psi. So we'll see if she holds. If so, this is a successful repair. As you can see, no drips. I don't hear any hissing. So I think we're good. I think we're golden, boys. But that's it. So that's how we replace the weird three-way connection there on our '07 GMC Yukon Denali. Make sure that steel pipe isn't bent. Press that on first. Press it onto the heater core until it locks. Press this hose back on, and then that's it. If you have any leaks coming from the sleeve, use that hose clamp right there to kind of clamp that off. But that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up the tools, and she's holding pretty good, so I think we're okay. If we do have any leaks, then they're somewhere else, and they're quite minor. If we go and look underneath, other than all the mess from earlier, I don't really see anything dripping. So I do think it's a successful repair, boys. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope this helps. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.